Hello friends, and welcome to the first preview of Hook Analyzer version 3.2. In this video, I will take you through the social media monitoring module of Hook Analyzer. As you would see on the screen, there is a file called tweetfeed.txt where you can specify all the Twitter channels you would like to monitor for. In this particular example, I've chosen 37 channels. These are the ones which I usually go on to pull information. Now, once you specify that, the tool basically goes on to each of those channels to pull information. And that pulling can be done on the real-time basis. Alternatively, you can specify the gap or the time lapse. In this example, you would see that basically tells you the status of information it's pulling off. Also tells you how many new tweets it has identified from the last cycle. And also it tells you like which particular channel is being most active from the last cycle it ran. So once it pulls out the information from the Twitter, the next step is obviously it exports the data. At the moment, it exports the data onto a CSV format. Now for the analysis of those particular tweets, the tool has a visualization module as well. It basically generates a tree map as you are looking at your screen right now. Now, the size of each boxes depends the number of channels or the number of tweets residing within that particular date. So for an example, if I choose one of these channels which is on 19th of May, if I click on that, you would see there's one feed coming from thread feed channel, which you can click again and you can get the information what's in there. The next one, I'll take an example of today. So 14th of September, you can click on that. You will see these are the channels which have created or produced tweets, which you can just click on and then look at what tweets they have produced. You can hover to them and see what's in there. And that produces a capability that how quickly you can analyze tweets or the feeds itself. The next one, which is the real-time monitoring tweet, is basically a file which you're looking at. The page refreshes in every 2 minutes, and you can specify depending on your requirement when often do you want to refresh it. The tool pulls the information, and after pulling that, it put it into a nice table which you can sort it by the date or by the channel or by the sender. So that's it from my end, friends. I'm still working on other modules for Hook Analyzer, and hopefully I'm going to release that version very soon. In the interim, if you have got any queries, please do not hesitate to contact me on the email address. Happy for you to follow me on Twitter. Alternatively, you can look at some other codes and tools on the website, which is www.binuarora.com. Till then, goodbye and thank you again.